Because of increasing population, let's see how Indian girls are aware.
Yeah, of course. That's not the cause of population, to be honest, no, but just a demo thing. So I need to put that thing on, right? Ugh. This is actually too slimy, man. Fuck.
Okay, great. I'm covering it for you. Do it quick, quick.
Yeah, that's fucking easy, man.
Nice. See how well equipped they are.
You know, but it seems like a nigga ones, because Indians don't have that. Okay, and that isn't dark, so yeah.
Bang, bang. She's back on brand, yo. Hi guys. porn तो सब देखते हैं. अच्छा इतना sophistication. मैंने हिंदी क्या बोल दी? ठीक है. Okay. What category of porn do you watch?
Actually, I don't need to watch porn because I have a boyfriend, but...
Sure, why not?
First of all, I'd like to apologize to my parents for letting them down right now.
What is the grossest thing you've seen in porn films?
People inserting fingers inside a guy's dick.
What? Ew!
They insert things inside a guy's dick. I'm not kidding.
Are you mad or?
I'm not kidding.
Side do you use like?
Which side do you like? Walk into any side, you'll see.
Okay. What is that something you will never do sexually?
Maybe foursome or like threesome. Yeah, no, never. No threesome and like or all that. No. I like to maintain that passionate and intimate thing between two people. Mera hi hai bhai. Caring and all that, bhai.
Okay. What turns on an Indian girl?
I think it's desi kiss.
Desi kiss.
Yeah.
कैसे करते हैं?
Something which is exotic. मतलब sexy. और थोड़ी hot, थोड़ी vulgar.
Vulgar. Okay, nice. आपने की है देसी किस?
अभी तक तो नहीं, पर
अभी तक नहीं.
ट्राई करनी है.
ट्राई करनी है. अच्छा, वेरी गुड. तो माने आप अगर पहली बार डेट पे जाओ किसी लड़की के साथ, आप उसको लिमिट नहीं करोगे ना? माने he can touch you and all.
Yeah.
If he's very hot, what will you do?
I will kiss him, hug him.
देसी किस?
देसी किस तो नहीं, पहले छोटी सी किस दूंगी चीक्स पे और बाद में देसी किस.
Okay. So, how common is masturbating amongst Indian girls?
Every night.
No idea.
Once in a while. Lying.
I don't know. Okay, what is the weirdest of experience you've had someone touching your boobs?
Someone just randomly, hi, how are you? And they just make those hand gestures and they feel they are doing it quite coyly, but it's not so.
Nice. And do girls get jealous of other girls having bigger boobs?
Yes, a lot. So many people are jealous of me.
Nice one. Okay. Well, have you gone through any wardrobe malfunction?
Yes.
What was it like?
So I was wearing a buttoned shirt and I was actually doing a very embarrassing thing. I was getting up on the escalator that comes down and the shirt's buttons just popped open. That was in the mall. Yes.
Wow, what are you to the guys? Why do guys get attracted to boobs?
There's no logical explanation for this. Maybe because they don't have boobs and they want to know what boobs look like and what they feel like. Yeah. Yes.
So there are these certain things, according to our love guru, which turn on a girl. Okay, turns on a girl. So, what about whispering in the ears?
Whispering in ears. I like to whisper in ears.
अगर वो आपके ears में whisper कर रहा हो तो?
अगर वो मेरे ears में whisper करेगा तो मुझे अजीब सी feeling आएगी. पहले तो मेरे body पे goosebumps आएंगे और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा कि यार a guy, cute guy is whispering in my ear.
Okay, and what if he holds your waist in public?
Oh my God, I will think he's my hubby.
Waist पकड़ने से husband बन गया.
और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, special feeling.
Okay, What if he plays with your hair?
Different feeling आएगी. Please do it again once more over here, over here. I'll tell him like this.
What is the weirdest of experience you've had with someone touching your headlights?
You wanna ask me that?
Yeah.
I want an answer.
What weirdest? I mean, it's not weird. It's personal kinds. Okay. No, it's not been weird. I mean, people staring.
It's not been weird, it's been very sensual.
Yeah, sensual. Okay, so हाँ बस इतना ही. तुझे सब जानना है.
सब जानना है. Any message for our girls?
Look sexy. That's it. And
like
be beautiful and be confident with whatever you have. It doesn't matter बड़े boobs, छोटे boobs, सारे boobs अच्छे हैं.
What do they do to make it more exciting?
Oh, now I'm completely fine. Let's talk about my sexual life. Yeah. Now it's perfect.
Yeah?
Now it's much better. I feel much comfortable now. Okay.
Okay, so what do you do to make it more exciting?
So you wanna drink here? Let's talk about this. I'm completely fine.
Too good.
Jackpot.
Just take it as a hook, tongue करके. Roll it up.
You literally said tongue.
Hook.
Just stay next to the mic. Okay, you said tongue.
Just hook it up.
So, what is the weirdest of experience you've had giving yourself pleasure, or you've heard of any friend having a weirdest of experience?
More weird thing is go to Calaba, try to find some scarves and earrings, and a random girl with a guy of a camera, came and asked about this kind of things in India. Like this is the weirdest. No, I don't know really. I never had. No, I don't know really. No. I think that I'm normal.
You're normal.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, thank you so much. It was nice talking to you, and you can see yourself on So Effin' Great. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share, and comment, and please subscribe. Please do visit. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shut up. Please do like, share, and come. Please subscribe to watch. Please do like, share, and comment, and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Please. Okay, do you find girls hitting on you?
Yeah. Yeah.
And do you hit on girls?
Oh yeah.
No, I get jealous by looking at others' smaller boobs because they can wear spaghettis, anything without. People come out of their houses without bras because it's not evident. But we're like, अरे bra पहनना ही पड़ेगा निकलने के बाद. So yeah.